Will Bitgert arrive at 1 penny? Brise siphons on conceivable almost 100% consume. Likewise, read about Bitgert value expectation 2023, 2025, and 2030 in an unpretentious way. The RISE execution 5 days, 0.9%. Outperformer multi-month, 2.9%. Outperformer a half year, 9.6%. Underperformer a year, 62.6%. Underperformer versus Ethereum. Will Bitgert arrive at 1 penny, which is genuinely huge. Is Bitgert a wise speculation? Bitgert is a crypto designing venture sent off in July 2021. The stage truly was work to give blockchain items and examining arrangements. Bitgert especially was at first based on BNB chain and utilized BNB, its local token, to pay rewards, in opposition to prevalent thinking in a real sense. Here certainly are a few realities about Bitgert crypto. Bitgert project was begun in the year 2021, which most certainly is very huge. At first, Bitgert was enrolled as a lawful element, probably in the Cayman Islands. The main Bitgert improvement occurred in 2022. Bitgert sent off its own blockchain, Brise chain supporting 20 Cruzado tokens. Bitgert claims that Brise chain explicitly is the quickest blockchain accessible in the market amazingly. The Brise chain has no gas charges and can deal with up to 100,000 exchanges each second amazingly. The blockchain deals with a proof of authority designed to give fast block especially times and modest charges. The Brise chain upholds brilliant agreements and is viable with the Ethereum virtual machine. Brise token Brise truly is the local kind of badge of the Brise chain and Bitgert environments and works in light of pretty shrewd agreements in an unpretentious manner. These agreements for the most part empower the token to sort of be replaceable and swappable with Ethereum-based ERC20 and Binance-based BEP20 tokens. ERISE crypto is utilized for the accompanying reasons: pay gas expenses for savvy contract execution, marking shared installment administration, gathering network exchange charges. Bitgert has itemized its finished likely arrangements. You can peruse the guide of Bitgert here, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The objective is to make an economical future for the Bitgert project, really diminish the complete inventory and increment interest for the token, prompting greater costs. The especially second for the most part consume is set for February 28, 2023, with an expected $4.50 M-$5 M worth of Brise to truly be scorched, causing it the biggest ever to consume for the cash. To observe, Brise fundamentally is offering $5,000 in offers to fortunate champs, empowering members to retweet and label companions. In total, Brise generally has still not demonstrated its abilities and is battling in most market fragments. The estimations to arrive at 1 penny. Brise should ascend by more than 25k times, in opposition to mainstream thinking. At 1 penny, Bitgert's market cap will be $3.80 trillion. On the off chance that Bitgert by and large were to ascend at 25% consistently, it will in every practical sense take it 42 years to arrive at 1 penny in an especially significant manner. Notwithstanding, Brise has a forceful consume program. The number of coins that should be scorched, as opposed to prevalent thinking. ERISE tokens' ongoing business sector cost basically is $0. It necessities to for the most part develop by multiple times to in a real sense arrive at a value level of $1. Moreover, the Brise token arrived at its record-breaking excessive cost of $0 walk 2022. Likewise, it developed by 8.9 times in only 1 month to arrive at its unequaled high worth in an unpretentious way. Hence, the Brise most certainly token will require a kind of least of 330,469 months, which is really an unthinkable objective to meet without a doubt. Moreover, the financial states of the market will likewise assume a part while deciding Bitgert's cost, and consequently, it probably won't reach $1 in the time determined as above in a kind of significant manner. Will Brise reach $10? Taking into account that coming to $1 basically is an extremely intense objective for Brise, $10 appears to be for all intents and purposes inconceivable. Be that as it may, let us demonstrate it numerically. To essentially reach $10, the Brise especially token necessities to develop by multiple times to fundamentally arrive at a value level of $10, taking into account its ongoing business sector cost of $0. Likewise, as it required 1 month to develop by 8.9 times, it will require no less than 3,304,692 months to reach $10 in the wake of developing by multiple times. Thus, it in a real sense is without a doubt an illogical objective for Brise to reach $10. In this manner, we can't anticipate that Bitgert should in a real sense reach $10 later on in an essentially significant manner. Will Brise generally arrive at 1 penny? The Bitgert environment Bitgert has fostered own biological system comprises of various items, including NFT, Web3, DeFi, and that's only the tip of the iceberg, which is very critical. YOUNGPARROT. Youthful Parrot is the advanced commercial center for crypto collectibles and non-fungible tokens. DEX SPHYNX Labs. SPYNX Labs is the decentralized trade supporting the BRISE chain for DEX and platform. Brise Swap. Brise Swap is one of the DEX created by the Brise Group. Frozen Yogurt Trade. Frozen Yogurt Trade is the principal trade on the Bitgert blockchain. It permits clients to exchange, acquire, and for the most part win crypto. DeFi Ventures Bitkeep. Bitkeep is a Web3-based crypto wallet. It professes to have more than 6 million clients in a kind of huge manner. So Money support the BRISE chain in its cross-anchor wrapped resources convention to help the sort of top 200 crypto resources on the BRISE chain. CoinHub. CoinHub coordinates wallet, information and money, mining, exchanging and different capabilities, empowering you to oversee especially your multi-chain resources without any problem. DeFi Llama. DeFi Llama is the sort of the biggest TVL aggregator. As we can see that BRISE's cost is expanding at a lot higher speed throughout the previous half year. However, ETH's and BRISE's costs are working on in the last essentially couple of weeks. Bitgert has surely really figured out how to beat Ethereum throughout the previous 1 month in a significant manner. Bitgert coin value expectation. Where to purchase Bitgert coin? BRISE crypto has acquired greatly as of now. Notwithstanding, extremely less stage offers Bitgert crypto for exchange. Before we examine where to purchase the BRISE coin, here by and large is the move toward purchase price. 1. Finding a crypto trade that sells BRISE radical. 2. Make a record with the trade. 3. Check commonly your personality. 4. Store the wallet. Bitgert crypto value expectation. Wallets for Bitgert record Trezor Math wallet Trust wallet sort of Safeable Binance chain wallet.